Hey y'all, hey. It is B Kirkpatrick and we are out behind the walkway in my house. Here's Miss Lily and me. Hey y'all. It's beautiful out. Y'all can see all the way around the walking trail. I think this is the actual trail. Look at the man with the shorts on, y'all. My brother, he cold. Them legs is cold. Damn. My eye watering. Daniel, how you liking the snow?
Good. I want to make a snow angel.
Okay, we'll do one. You want to go walk down the further way? Let's go. No, your jacket's going to be wet. Come on. Let's go walk down this way. Look at the tops of the houses. It's our house.
Why is the house covered in snow a lot?
Because it snowed. You can pull the gates on. Bubba, can you pull the gates on? You guys, it snowed in Texas. That's pretty deep. Huh?
So I'm not gonna be able to get through the phone.
Come on, Daniel. Look, he having a good time.
No balls.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
It's cold, Bubba. You should put your other jacket on. Your leather jacket.
I should have, huh?
Yeah.
Say,
You want to go put it on?
You ain't gonna take away, I'm saying it.
You ain't no team player.
No.
I know. Look, huh, Daniel?
The best decision.
Mom, I get walking in, so come on while I'm walking. I better come on while I'm walking.
He's talking about you better come on while I'm walking.
Y'all know down there?
So nice. Oh, we get to walk in the snow.
Get the what?
I say we get to walk in the snow in Tejas.
Come on, Daniel.
This is nice. Yay. The sun is out. So far it's 14 degrees. We're building snowman. And we're just having fun. Families are out having a good time. We're out having a good time. Hi. Happy winter day. Yay. Oh, look at the little snowman.